Let me show you how to achieve that in not more than 5 minutes.
So in order to achieve that, we need to import our footage, right? So this is the clip we're going to use. Is not more than 9 seconds, okay? So what we are going to do right now is to apply text, okay? So we locate our text and click on it, okay? Oh, my head is scratching me. So here we go. We type what we need to apply. Let's say a good day to make money. Yes, we are going to repeat the same thing we wrote. A good day to make money. A good day to make money. Okay, so we're going to align it where we want it to appear. So in my own case, this is where I want it to appear. Like, I want the text to be at this position so that it will be clear enough. So when we are done achieving this, the next thing we are going to do is to export this file the way it is. We're going to export it like this. So I'm okay with what I have seen. Okay, so I'm going to export this. So we're going to hit the export button, and here we go. So having done that, the next thing we are going to do now is to start a new project. So by doing that, we are going to import the clip we exported. Then this is the clip we exported before. This is our clip. So the next thing we are going to do again is to re-import the original clip that doesn't have a text. Okay, so we are going to go to overlay. We are going to place it as an overlay. Okay, we are not going to import it as a normal file. Even though you import it as a normal file or as a background file, you still have to convert it to an overlay. So we need it to appear here as an overlay. So what we are going to do now is to click on the PIP and import the file that doesn't have the text on it. So we are going to click this alignment icon so that our imported overlay video or clip will align with what we have on the background. So we are going to click this, and voila, it is now the same size, both frame and what have you. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is to remove the background of our overlaid video. So we are going to look for cut out, and we'll cut it out. As simple as that. If you notice now, our image or our text is now appearing behind our video. So let's play this and see. As simple as that, right? So it's very simple. It's something you can achieve on your own. It's very, very simple. So if you're not using Inshot, you can use any other application. The only thing that is needed is the original clip. You write your text on it, you export it. Okay, then you re-import the exported clip, the one that has text. After that, you now bring in the original clip that doesn't have an export, sorry, that doesn't have a text on it, which happens to be the one you are going to remove the background. So when you remove the background, the whole thing is off. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helps. Share this video to people that really want to see it, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question to ask about this particular tutorial, you can go ahead and ask the question in the comment section. If you still have anything troubling you want to know how it can be solved via editing, you can as well ask us in the comment section, and we'll be there to respond to your question. Do well to subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to try my best to ensure that I teach this content of video editing tutorial in such a way that even someone who is new to video editing will understand better. So subscribe once again for more tutorials. Ask any question you feel like asking in the comment section, and I will be there to respond to them. Do have a lovely time of the day.